Say, who are you shooting for?
Huh?
Who are you shooting for?
ABC.
Okay. Nice rig you got there.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, that's cool. I didn't notice.
Can I ask who you're with?
I do independent production. I'm not working right now, but I do work with Antenna Satellite of Greece.
Okay, how long you waiting, hon? Why'd you do that when you probably could have gone across the street?
Well, Bluebird's been pretty lucky, and I've been getting the mega the last few times, so I'm going to be the winner.
If you win, what are you going to do with probably $640 million?
Well, there's 3 churches I'll give to first, and then my immediate family, then my extended family. And I'll go from there.
I wish you the best.
Thank you.
You bet. Hope you win.
Thank you. Good luck. Okay, give this older lady. Give this lady.
Look at that. That's okay. Cool.
Change.
Okay, are you in it? All right. Holy shit.
640 million. And,
damn, this is...
Where y'all from?
Oh, damn. How you doing? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You know, I think using build such a rep.
Are you working at the Chevron?
Buy cars, mess them up.
Damn, this is...
Oh, yeah.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Wow. Holy moly, man.
Y esto todavía está en el que comprar algo. $5.
Le podemos hacer también la Aquí viene el carro.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How old are you?
35.
Cool. Thank you so much.
All right.
Crazy.
Crazy?
No. I'll take it. No. I do have